One of the most common problems having to do with the big toe is a bunion. It changes the shape of your foot and causes a lot of pain. A bunion is usually caused by incorrect foot mechanics, such as a foot that flattens too much, joint damage, arthritis, or a genetic disposition to developing bunions. Wearing poorly fitting shoes and high heels will make the problem worse. A bunion is usually present on the big toe near the joint where the toe meets the foot. There are two types of bunions, positional and structural. Often bunions are a combination of these types. Positional is the mild form, and it arises from new bone growth that causes the joint to enlarge. This stretches the joint's outer covering, causing the big toe to push into the smaller toes. As the tendons tighten, the big toe is forced farther out of alignment. Structural bunions are a result of a pronounced angle between the first and second toe bones. This causes the big toe to slant in toward the others, often causing the second and third toes to buckle. Your podiatrist will perform a comprehensive examination of your feet and determine the best treatment plan for your individual needs. X-rays may be done to show the position of the bunion and to see if it is affecting any other bones in your foot. Treatment depends on the severity of the bunion and how much it compromises your everyday activity. Options may include wearing different shoes, wearing custom-made shoe inserts, and possibly surgery. Your podiatrist will assess your needs and arrive at a plan that fits for you.